Hello everyone, welcome back to CCV Craft channel. Today I'm going to show us how to make this lovely design. And one of my students online sent me this design to do a tutorial on it, and I decided to do it today so that we'll all learn it together. And to start with this design, I'll have my size 2 seed beads gold. Then I have size 6 crystal beads, and I have my cutter, and I'm using 0.35 fishing line for this design. So to start, I'll pick one seed bead as my stop bead. I will tie it. So after turning, you pick another 4 seed beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 4. Then you skip the first one here and pass through the second one. Then you have this. Then you pick 2, 1 crystal and another 2. So at this point you have this. So you have something like this. Then you skip this first one, this one, and you pass through the second one, the second crystal. You have this. You turn again. Remember, you turn again. You pick 4 seed beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 seed beads. Then you skip 1. You skip 1 and pass through this one, the second one. Then at this point you have this. You pick 2 seed beads, 1 crystal, 2 seed beads, 2 seed beads. You have this. Then you pass it through. You skip 1. You skip this crystal and pass it through the second one, the second crystal. You have this. You see it's forming the shape. This is it. Then I'll do the last one now. Then you pick 4 seed beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, and let it drop. You have this. You skip 1, pass through this second one. You pass through the second one. You have this. Then you pick 2 seed beads. 1, 2, and 1 crystal and another 2 seed beads. Then you skip this first one and pass through this second one. Just the same thing I've been doing. You have this. This is it. So continue like this until you get to your desired length. Please, if you find this video interesting, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share my video, like and comment. Bye bye. After coming out, you pick 4 seed beads, then you drop it. Skip the fourth one, skip 1 and pass through this second one here. Then you pick 2 seed beads. 1, 2, and 1 crystal and another 2 seed beads. Then you pass it. You skip this first one and pass it through this second one. pass it through the second bead crystal here, and you have this, you have something like this. Then you turn, you pick, after picking my stop bead, I will tie it, then cut out the excess. Then I'll pick 2 seed beads, 2 seed beads, 1 crystal, 2 seed beads, 1 crystal, 2 seed beads. At this time, after picking this, then the last one I pick is 4. I pick 4 seed beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I have this. So at this point, I will skip the first one here. This first one here, I'll skip it and pass my needle through the second one. Then I'll pick 2 seed beads. 1, 2, 1 crystal, and another 2 seed beads. 1, 2. Then I'll skip this first size 6 crystal here and I'll pass through the second one.